Hello everyone and welcome back to Unforgotten Tech. My name is Gregory Krause and today we're going to be talking about coolant. Specifically, we're going to be talking about how to check the concentration and condition of your vehicle's coolant. Now before we get started, if you could take a moment to like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and then if you have any questions, concerns, or suggestions, throw a comment in the section below. Coolant, also known as antifreeze, is a crucial component in the vehicle's cooling system. It is a liquid substance that helps regulate engine temperature and prevents overheating. Here are some important information about coolant and its role in the vehicle's maintenance. Coolant serves several important functions in a vehicle's cooling system. Number one is transferring heat. Coolant absorbs heat from the engine and carries it away from the radiator where it is dissipated onto the surrounding air. Number two is protection from freezing. Coolant contains additives that lower the freezing point of the liquid, preventing it from solidifying in cold temperatures and potentially damaging the engine. Number three is protection from boiling. The additives in coolant also raise the boiling point of the liquid, allowing it to withstand higher temperatures without evaporating. Number four is corrosion prevention. Coolant contains anti-corrosion additives that help protect the engine's metal components from rust and corrosion. And last, lubrication of the moving components in the cooling system. By inspecting the condition and concentration of the coolant, we can decipher valuable information about the vehicle and the overall condition it's in. This will also allow us to diagnose issues and recommend maintenance to preserve the health of the vehicle. However, before we get started inspecting and testing a coolant system, we need to make sure that we have the proper PPE on. For this job, we will want to have safety glasses and closed-toed shoes. You may want to wear gloves as well. For tools, we'll need a hydrometer, coolant tester, or a set of test strips. Now we will get started and locate the coolant reservoir and the radiator cap. Note that we never want to open the radiator while it is hot, as this can cause serious injury or death. After locating the reservoir, we will start by visually inspecting the coolant level in the reservoir. We want to make sure that it falls between the minimum and maximum marks. If the level is low, add a mixture of coolant and distilled water as per your vehicle's specifications. Now we will check the coolant's condition. We will use the hydrometer to remove a sample of coolant. The hydrometer will indicate the current mixture of coolant. In most areas, a 50-50 mixture is the most efficient. However, especially in colder climates, this may not be the case. We will document the findings and if the coolant is at the proper protection range. If not, this could indicate the need of a coolant exchange so that the proper mixture can be installed in the vehicle. While we have the coolant sample, we will also examine the condition. Coolant should be a sharp, translucent color. Depending on the manufacturer, this may be green, blue, red, orange, yellow, or even purple. If you notice any of the following signs, it may indicate a problem. Number one is cloudy or a milky appearance. This could indicate oil contamination, which might suggest a leak or a failing gasket. Rust or discolored coolant could suggest the presence of rust or corrosion in the cooling system, which could lead to damage over time. And floating debris or particles. This can clog the cooling system, reducing its efficiency. All right. And just to recap, today we learned about how to check the condition and concentration of your coolant. Well, my name's Gregory Krause with Unforgotten Tech, and I want to thank each and every one of you for joining us today. And remember, be strong, believe, be unforgotten.